Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name's Victoria. I sometimes go by Vicky. And today we're going to be doing a little quick tutorial on eyeliner right here. So let's get this show on the road. Oh, and I always forget to mention my hair every time I get it done. I always mean to say something and I don't, but here's my new hair. I like having darker hair color because it makes my hair look more full. So yeah, I love my hair. I get it done by a wonderful lady named Julia who works at the Ulta salon in the Winter Garden here in Central Florida. So if you're in the area, you should totally check her out because she does bomb ass hair. Okay, just wanted to throw that in there since I never mentioned my hair. Okay, so I already have the other eye done so you can kind of see what we're going for. So we're just gonna work it on this eye to show you the process of it. Now I have two different types of eyeliners. I have one that is a pen and then I have one that is a wand. And I use both of them if I have the option, but you know, pick whatever's easiest for you and try that out. I'm gonna go in first with the wand one. This is the NYX Matte Liquid Liner. So I'm gonna be using a little mirror. And I'm going to start at the outer corner of my eye and flick it upwards towards the tail of my brow. Going to get the slightest bit more product. Meet it about right here and drag it back towards the eye. And I'm just gonna drag it all the way to the inner corner. So I'm just going back over, cleaning up the lines, make sure it's nice and clean, or just cleaning up the lines. I'm getting the slightest bit more product, and right here where we met them, I'm just going to make sure that looks real nice and connected and pointy. Want nice and sharp. I feel like a good tip if you're not used to doing wing liner all the time is less product is more. You don't want to have like a ton on your brush and just go in because you're gonna get a blob and it's gonna smear around. You blink your eye, it's gonna like transfer. So just less is more. Let it dry. I will fan it just to make sure it's dry before I'm looking around everywhere. Now with the pen, this is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. It's pretty popular right now. I'm just gonna fill this in. And it's that simple. You know, practice makes perfect. You can always start smaller and build up. I usually do pretty gigantic wings myself, so this one is more of a timid version for me. So, you know, just start off wherever you feel the most comfortable and then work your way up from there. I'm gonna take the wand one again, and just on the end here, this one is kind of thicker and more blunt, and over here it's very like skinny and sharp, so I'm gonna try to mimic that on this side. And if I can't really get it, I'm going to show you how to fix that. I think I just did it a little too thick. I don't want to make it super long, so I feel like this wing is already bigger than the other one. So now I'm going to show you how to fix it. So I feel like it's kind of bigger than the other one in general. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to fix it, how to clean this up a little bit with foundation or concealer, your choice. I'm actually out of concealer right now, so I'm going to have to use foundation on a concealer brush. Tiny bit of foundation on the back of my hand, and I'm getting the smallest amount because, like I said, less is more. And we're gonna go along the line of it very, very lightly. And then before blending that out to not make a line, I'm going to wipe off the excess on my hand just in case there's any black transfer that might have like kind of melted together with the brush and the product. And then I'm going to just drag that foundation out so it looks blended and we don't have any harsh lines. and you can see there that it looks quite a bit skinnier, just like this one does now. So that's it. I'm gonna put on some mascara. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Falsies. I love this mascara. It's probably my favorite drugstore mascara ever. To me, it's better than a lot of even higher end ones. It gives me lots of volume without making my lashes look clumpy and gross. So I'm gonna zoom you guys back out and you'll see how it looks all together. Alrighty you guys, so this is gonna be the finished look. I put just mascara on. I didn't put any lashes on or anything like that because I really want you guys to just be able to see the liner. And that totally is kind of it for me. Let me know if you have any questions about anything. Maybe I didn't go over something thoroughly enough. I will answer your questions, of course, in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy the video, please make sure to like it and subscribe if you haven't already. Become a member of my little ghoulish family. I would love to have you guys here. And I will, of course, link my other social media below and link these two eyeliners as well for you. Thanks, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!